most certain way to succeed is to try just one more time. With this positive quote, I, Mahant,
and I, Simran from class 5th, are back with the latest happenings at Rush Vidyapeeth.
Student-led revision is, at its core, about prioritizing students' needs and valuing their ability to learn independently. It is an inherently inclusive approach to education because it respects each child's unique learning needs and interests. Student-led revision is a unique concept at Vishwa Vidyapeeth where students will engage one complete period with parents to revise any one particular topic to showcase their preparedness for upcoming exams under guidance of their subject teachers. Class 1 students took student-led revisions for English and Maths. Class 9 students took student-led revisions of English. It is a supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Our school celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th September. School management organized a few fun games and activities for the teachers with a grand lunch. All teachers enjoyed and appreciated the program.
Playing with modeling clay or pottery clay will help children to develop important skills like fine motor development, hand-eye coordination, improves pre-writing skills, and it has a calming effect if a child is restless. Our class 1 students got an opportunity to create Lord Ganesh using dough following the teacher's instructions.
Organic farming is primarily aimed at cultivating the land and raising crops in such a way as to keep the soil alive and in good health by use of organic waste, crop, animal, farm and aquatic waste and other biological materials along with beneficial microbes. Our class 1 students got an insight about organic farming with practical sessions under teachers' guidance. Class 12 Psychology stream students visited Bangalore Neuro Center on 19th of September to analyze and interpret the data collection for development of case profile using interview, observation and psychological test. Onam, the Harvest Festival at Kerala, was celebrated at school on Friday 13th September by staff and students. The day was marked by a special assembly followed by a song and dance sequence in Malayalam to commemorate the day.
Students of Class 8 got an opportunity to visit Spurs Multi-Speciality Hospital. The program was divided into 2 sessions. Session 1, Robotics and Future of Surgery. Session 2, Basic Life Support. It was indeed an enriching and informative experience for the students.
Jnanodhara Center for Excellence, JCE, conducted an orientation program for Class 10 CBSE and ICSE students. Our Commerce faculty, Ms. Aparna ma'am, also briefed about Class 11 Commerce stream.
Sports Day is a school event that encourages students to participate in sports, build trust and demonstrate that school is about more than just academics. Our school conducted an annual Sports Day prelims on 19th and 20th of September. PTM for Class 12 Science and Commerce stream was held on 21st September.
Proto Village is a concept village created by Kalyan Akkipedi near Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh. The main idea behind the Proto Village was to create a community that could sustain itself for an extended period of time. Vishwa Vidyapeeth group of schools is collaborating with Proto Village under student exchange program. About 60 students from our school are participating in the Sustainable Development Program. This collaboration between students of Proto Village and Vishwa Vidyapeeth group of schools will use science and math for local climate action.
PTM for Class 1 to 10 was held on 28 September 2024.
Thank you. Stay tuned for more updates.
Please do subscribe.